Thank you.
Okay, what's going on, guys? You're having a great day. A great start of the week. Basically, what I'm gonna be talking about is how to create engagement on your YouTube thumbnails.
Stop.
Basically, I will start off with the apps: YouTube Studio, vidIQ. Those are good apps you can use to create your thumbnails. When using your thumbnails, this is personally what I'm gonna be starting to do. Using actual pics describing what you're talking about on your thumbnails. Like I said, vidIQ is a good one as well. That's what I use currently. That can help as well on your thumbnails. Basically, try to look at other thumbnails as well. Use those for examples. Thumbnails that are actually doing good or getting engagement on YouTube, because that'll help you with your engagement. Kind of like basically you kind of looking at details of how they put together their thumbnails to help you put together your thumbnails. That helps as well. Changing the backgrounds, putting engagement type titles on your thumbnails, pics as well. Anything that represents what you're actually talking about on your YouTube, that will help with your engagement. Changing the background, putting different backgrounds, facial expressions on your pics what you put on your thumbnails, that helps as well. Like I said, vidIQ, it actually scores your thumbnails, so you can actually see what type of score you have on your thumbnails to help you on your thumbnails on YouTube. And then that'll also help you with your engagement, because the better score you have on your thumbnails, the better engagement that you're gonna have on it, right? Okay, because it makes sense, right? Right. So I thought that was kind of cool, just because it actually helps, gives you a score on your thumbnails. So that's what I'm using right now, and looking and thinking about different ways I can make my thumbnails better on there. That's also a plus as well. So right now I'm using, like I said, vidIQ. You can use TubeBuddy, YouTube Studio, I think, also as well. There's a lot of different other, I think there's like some websites you can also use on there as well that will help you with your thumbnail. Also, if you guys enjoy the content I'm making, go ahead and like and share, follow, subscribe. And I appreciate everybody's comments as well. Like I said, if you have any questions or anything that you want to know about, go ahead and put in the comments as well. But I'm using vidIQ. That's helping me a lot with my content. Sorry, I'm making a baby milk right now, so it's kind of in the way. vidIQ, for me, is very helpful. It helps a lot when making your YouTube content. Thumbnails, promote titles. It's on point. So I would suggest to go ahead and check that out. It'll help you a lot. You can download on Android, iPhone as well, and it'll help you with making YouTube content. Also, do your research at the same time on thumbnails on YouTube. That's probably the most important and best ways to get ideas for thumbnails, because it gives you different options apps, websites, anything that you're trying to find out to make a better thumbnail. Like I said, I'm in the process of making better thumbnails myself. Like I said, vidIQ, it helps me with my thumbnails, titles. I think it gives you a whole script, everything that you can use for your videos. So I would check that out if you haven't checked that out already. Also YouTube Studio, that helps as well. You can go check that out. The actual app, you can actually go on the website as well to YouTube Studio. Click on the picture icon on your YouTube. Click it again. It'll say something. It'll pull up, I think, the YouTube Studio download app, or you can skip it to go to the actual YouTube Studio on your YouTube. Once you do that, it'll bring you right to your YouTube page. Like your background of your YouTube studio, your actual YouTube studio online. It'll have everything on there. Also, once you get on your YouTube studio online, you can also have YouTube auto generate your thumbnails. You can use, also allow you to upload your YouTube studio thumbnails from your photos, and then it'll also have like a part where you can choose between like the best thumbnails that you have that you upload on there, and it'll pick the best one out of the thumbnails from your YouTube studio online. So I would definitely suggest looking at that as well, because I believe that'll help out in the long run. It'll make it, the time a lot more shorter when you're trying to pick out your thumbnails for your videos. So go ahead and check that out as well. Like I said, if anybody has any questions about anything that I'm talking about on my videos, or any questions in general about what you might need to do or what you want to do, just leave me a comment. I can answer them. I'm always in my comments. I respond to my comments. So again, I thank everybody that watches my videos, my subscribers as well. I'm gonna also be doing engagement with my subscribers, anybody that I follow. Constantly researching, constantly trying to get better with my content. So be on the watch out. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy the content that I'm making. Check those apps out as well that I have on here. The vidIQ, YouTube Studio. And then also do your research about different websites that help you create thumbnails for YouTube, because that'll definitely help as well. It's just, the research is gonna help. You gotta do your part as well. It's not all gonna be, oh, you gotta make it easy for yourself. So, yeah, put the work in to get the work out. Like I said, anybody has any questions, anything that they want to, or they're thinking about or want to do, just leave a comment as well. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. If you like the content, like and share. And stay on the lookout, because I'm going to put more content out as well. I hope everybody's having a great day, great start of the week. and keep being positive. Keep putting that positive energy out there. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.